Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. As you can see, I got some stuff. I'm going to explain it to you. So I'm super duper excited because, as you can see, I haven't given you a warehouse update in a while, just simply because they were waiting for the trusses, which are the beams that go on the roof, to come in. And I'm super duper excited because everything has come in. So behind me, as you can see, they've got all of the lumber to do all of the framing, and we can actually walk over there if you want. And they've got the gravel. This is the gravel for part of the driveway. And then I've got my foundation, but they've got all of the framing and the plywood for the walls and everything. And they've got extra rebar and stuff. So I'm super duper excited because they're going to start framing on Monday. Unfortunately, I'm going to be out of town this next week because of counseling some girls at church camp. But I've got some friends that are going to pop over and take a few pictures, so I'll still be able to give you an update. And according to my contractor, I should have a roof on the building within the next week. So I'm super duper excited. Today is July 19th, so I don't know when you'll be watching this, but I should have hopefully a complete structure within a week. So I'm really, really excited about moving into this space. I'm currently working out of, I would say a space maybe from like here to about half of that. So like this little sliver of a corner if you split it in half. So I'm working in a very, very tiny cramped space and taking over my house in the process. So I'm excited about the warehouse. This is my latest update. So I'm really, really, as you can see, very excited. So I'm gonna get rid of taking over my house, and I'm going to be able to be much more efficient in my job, and we're going to get some new things for the warehouse to make storage better and organization better, just so that I can be a lot more efficient and be able to make more money. So hope this has been helpful. Thank you for those of you who've been following my warehouse updates, and I'll keep them coming. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.